carefree sea. Leave your troubles on land and we'll go out with the tide. Let the stars be our guide. Close your eyes and take my hand, and I've wasted too much time, barely getting by, like a castaway at sea. And I've had my share of fears, sorrows, doubts and tears, but joy comes in the morning, and I've had enough of clouds. Oh, aloha rain, aloha stormy days, and I think it's time for the sun to shine. Aloha baby, aloha baby, hello.
We've been so lucky to have such amazing people in our lives, and it's what makes something like this so special, is having just amazing people that just sort of flow together and to conversations and friendships and good times. So thanks again for coming, and thank you.
Love you guys.
So much.
And just trying to stay afloat, and I've wasted too much time, barely getting by.
I feel a responsibility holding down the fort in the Southern Hemisphere. Big family, so this is an honor, and I'm so impressed with the turnout you guys have in the US, such amazing people. So everyone, toast to the bride and groom.
Had enough of clouds. Oh, aloha rain, aloha stormy days, and I think it's time.
Margaret, I just wish it was like, yeah, right. And my friend goes, his wife goes, are you gonna bring her? And I said, oh, I don't know, man, maybe. And she goes, that could be your future wife. And I was like, yeah, alright. I had a bunch going on. Safe travels back to Massachusetts. We've literally spoken every single day since that day.
The sun to shine.